Hi everyone, welcome back. In this lecture we are going to learn slicing a list in Python with examples. Slicing lets you extract a portion of a list instead of just accessing one item. And here's the cool part. You don't need to write a loop or use complicated logic. Python makes it super easy with just a colon symbol. Now let's create a new Python file within a list directory. Right click, new, choose Python file and give name list_slicing. Let's create a list called colors equals within square brackets. Inside the list we define the items. Within double quotes, red, within double quotes, green, within double quotes, blue within double quotes, yellow within double quotes, orange within double quotes, purple within double quotes, pink. So our list has 7 color names. Let's print the full list first to confirm. We type print within brackets colors. Let's now run the program and see the output. Red, green, blue, yellow, orange, purple, pink. Perfect. Now let's slice this list and get the first 3 colors only. Let's type print within brackets colors, then square brackets 0:3. This means start at index 0 and go up to but not including index 3. Let's run the program and see the output. Red, green, blue. Awesome. We got the first 3 items. Let's now get the items from index 2 to index 5. Let's type print within brackets colors square brackets 2:6. Remember, the end index is always excluded. So this will give us items at index 2, 3, 4 and 5. Let's run the program. The output is blue, yellow, orange, purple. If you don't provide a start index, Python assumes 0. Let's say we want all items before index 4. For that, let's type print colors square brackets 4. Let's run it. Red, green, blue, yellow. So Python started from index 0 by default. Now let's say we want all items starting from index 3 till the end. Let's type print colors square brackets 3:. This will start at index 3 and go all the way to the last item. Let's run the program. The output is yellow, orange, purple, pink. So it picked everything from yellow to pink. Next, if you just use a colon with no start or end, Python returns a copy of the entire list. Let's try this. Print colors square brackets colon. Let's run it. You can see the output. Same list, fully copied using slicing. Python also allows negative indexing. Let's print the last 3 items in the list. Let's type print colors square brackets -3:. This starts counting from the end. -1 is the last item. Let's run the code. Orange, purple, pink. We got the last 3 colors from the list, starting from the third last one. Python also allows slicing with a step value. Let's say we want every second color from the list. We type print colors square brackets ::2. That's start to end, but skip every second item. Let's run the program. Red, blue, orange, pink. So it picked index 0, 2, 4 and 6. Let's quickly review what we learned. We created a list of colors. Then we used slicing to extract parts of the list. We saw how to slice from one index to another, slice from the beginning, slice till the end, slice with negative indexes, copy the entire list and use step values. Slicing is one of the best tools to work with large lists, especially when you want just a part of it. In the next lesson, we'll explore checking if an item exists in a list using the in keyword. See you there.